This is how you light the pilot light on a Honeywell thermocouple powered uh, hot water heater control. First you'll see the control is set to off. We want to set it to pilot, and once it's on pilot you actually have to push this in and hold it. As you're holding it, we're going to hit the light button multiple times. So I'm going to keep hitting this and holding the pilot light knob down until the status light starts to blink. There we saw a blink. We're going to keep holding this. And we should now be able to release the pilot light knob, and you'll continue to see that flash, and then you'll go ahead and set the temperature back to where you had it before.